Welcome to the Wisconsin Vegetable Gardener. I'm Joy Baird. It's time to start planting our seeds, and one of the first seeds to start will be leeks. Leeks are a very simple crop to grow, and unlike onions, which are similar to leeks, they don't require a specific geographical area such as onions with long day, short day, and neutral day. If you're anywhere in the world, you can plant leeks when it's the proper time to plant leeks, and we start our leeks 10 to 12 weeks before our last average frost date. You can find that information by going to your favorite search engine and typing in last average frost date and insert your zip code. If you're not aware, the USDA has re-racked many growing zones this past year, so you might be in a different one than what you were normally in. We used to be in 5A. Now we are in 6A. So keep that in mind. We are going to plant some Lincoln leeks. They take between 50 and 80 days to reach maturity, and we have had phenomenal success with leeks. If you don't or are unable or have difficulty growing onions, leeks are a great substitute. And you can utilize the whole plant. You don't have to just eat the white portion at the bottom. In the United States, we've been accustomed or trained to only eat the white portion. The whole thing's edible, and we utilize the whole plant. So, we have tried many different mechanisms and devices in order to plant leeks. Some people put one in each cell. A lot of time consumption, a lot of waste of space. We've tried it in a party cup, dry out too quick. We've tried it in a 10 by 20 flat that these two grow bags are setting in. Worked good, but the roots all netted together because of such the small amount of soil mass, which is only about 2.5 to 3 inches. We have found using a 1 gallon grow bag from rootmaker.com to be the key to success here. Got a lot of soil mass, and when these leeks are ready to go out in the garden, there's going to be a big massive shrub here. You can tip it to the side, shake them out, give a little pull, and they will all dislodge and loosen their roots from each other, and it works really well. So the simplicity of this really is take your leeks. You don't have to start them in a peat pellet or a 6-pack cell. Just simply plant them and put them in the grow bag here and let them be. So we just sprinkle them in. Nothing's fancy at all. I'm going to use all of these because I can always find somewhere to plant leeks. Those are easy. And then I'm just going to take some soil and simply top dress. If you get a little too much here or not enough there, that's not going to be a problem. Don't overthink it. Just get them planted. Okay. So the key to successful leeks, not just onions or peppers, or all of them, is proper and consistent soil moisture. When you're inside, the air dictates how much moisture is going to wick out of your soil. Dry house, more wicking than a moist house. In the winter, they're typically drier, so it's going to get dry out quicker. So one way we have found that works very well is to take some paper towels and then just take and tuck it on top of your seedlings. Now, if you do this in a tray, this works the same for the time in which it takes to germinate, which is 14-ish days, 7 to 14 days. I'm going to put a little water on that. That paper towel will dry out in about 48 hours and create a crust. It's just like using mulch in the garden. It holds the moisture in for an incredible amount of time, to keeping the soil and the seed hydrated to get a better germination rate. So after 10, 14 days, you want to come back and you want to take a look and see if you start seeing the seedlings pop up. When that is occurring, the beginning stages, you want to remove this and then also keep them hydrated, but you can't leave this on, otherwise they're not going to grow. And then just keep them hydrated next to a sunny window, south-facing window, or under a grow light. And then in 12 weeks or so, you're going to have leeks that are going to be ready to go out in the garden. You're still going to have to harden them off, but you can save money by starting your own seeds and doing successfully with these several tips. Thanks for watching. I'm Joy Baird, and this has been the Wisconsin Vegetable Gardener.